Choosing the right miter saw can be challenging. Low cutting accuracy, weak motors, heavy frames, and poor angle control often slow down projects. A good miter saw should deliver clean cuts, stable performance, and flexible angle adjustments. In today's list, I'll show you the top 5 best miter saws, from compact battery-powered models to powerful sliding saws for workshops. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and overall value to rank these tools. All product links are in the description for latest prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tool reviews. Number 5. eGod 5-inch Brushless Cordless Miter Saw. The eGod 5-inch Brushless Cordless Miter Saw is a compact and portable cutting solution designed for light woodworking and DIY tasks. Powered by a lithium battery and compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it delivers efficient performance without the hassle of cords. The brushless motor ensures longer lifespan, better power efficiency, and smoother operation. Ideal for trim work, small wood pieces, and on-the-go jobs, this handheld miter saw is perfect for users who value mobility, convenience, and quick setup in tight workspaces. Number 4. DOVAMAN 12-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The DOVAMAN 12-inch sliding miter saw is a powerful corded tool built for precision and heavy-duty cutting. With a 15A motor running at 3,800 RPM, it handles large wood pieces effortlessly. Dual bevel capability from 0 to 45 degrees, laser guide accuracy, and 9 positive miter stops ensure clean, repeatable cuts. Its wide 4.2 by 13-inch cutting capacity makes it suitable for framing, furniture making, and workshop projects. A solid choice for users who need power, accuracy, and professional-level performance. Number 3. Mini Bench Crosscut Table Miter Saw. This mini bench miter saw is designed for precision cutting of wood, plastic, and soft metals. Featuring a high-speed 7,800 RPM motor and adjustable 0 to 45-degree miter angles, it delivers smooth and accurate crosscuts in a compact form. The table-style design improves stability and control, making it ideal for model making, DIY crafts, and small workshop tasks. If you need a space-saving saw for detailed cutting work, this mini bench saw offers impressive speed and versatility for its size. Number 2. Dust-Free 165-10 Multifunction Sliding Table Miter Saw. The Dust-Free 165-10 Multifunction Miter Saw is built for clean, efficient woodworking and decoration projects. Its sliding table design improves cutting accuracy while reducing material vibration. The integrated dust reduction system helps keep the workspace cleaner, which is ideal for indoor use. Compact yet powerful, it supports multiple cutting tasks, including straight, angle, and crosscuts. This saw is a great option for users who want precise results, smoother operation, and a cleaner working environment without moving to bulky industrial tools. Number 1. HASPOWER 10-inch Sliding Miter Saw with Laser and LED. The HASPOWER 10-inch sliding miter saw stands out for its balance of power, precision, and user-friendly features. Equipped with a 255mm blade, laser guide, and LED lighting, it delivers accurate cuts even in low light conditions. The sliding mechanism increases cutting capacity, while the single bevel design ensures stability and ease of use. Ideal for woodworking, furniture making, and renovation tasks, this electric miter saw offers reliable performance in professional results, making it the top choice on this list. A reliable miter saw makes every cut cleaner, faster, and more accurate. From cordless portability to powerful sliding workshop tools, these 5 models cover different needs and budgets. Whether for DIY or professional use, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.